guys, welcome back to my channel. Look for Halloween. I got this huge bag of goodies, and yeah, we're just gonna get right on into the makeup tutorial, I guess you would say. Yeah. So let's go. Let's get started. What I'm gonna start out with is an all over white base, and then I'm gonna build it up from there. And I am doing a possessed makeup artist, so we're to be a little scary there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with a sponge and white makeup, and we're gonna go all over with this. So hopefully this does not cause my skin to break out, but it smells a little weird. So what are you guys doing for Halloween? What are y'all's plans? I think we're going to like this trick-or trunk thing. Okay, so that is pretty much the base. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with this, and I'm going to kind of go over that. I just need like a little base so it can thicken up a little bit. Alright guys, now that I have all the white on, I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Drop Dead Gorgeous Full On Crazy. And I'm going with that black, and I just want to black the eyes out. You don't have to be super gentle. You can just go on in with this. I'm going to go into that red, that blood red. I'm just going to kind of start working it down. Trying not to look down too much, guys. I'm going to take an e.l.f. little pencil and start drawing these little lines coming out. Overline my lips. Alright guys, so I am back. All I did was on the veins that were coming down, I just went back over some of that red eyeshadow. Just kind of outline those veins a little bit. And yeah, this is the, put a little spray in my hair, put on a jacket over that, and this is the finished look. It's a little creepy, huh? Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's really easy. White paint, black eyeshadow, red eyeshadow, draw some veins. It's pretty easy. I hope you guys like it. Happy Halloween. Can't wait to do the next look. I'll see you guys in my next video.
This ain't over.